Hey everyone. So you may have noticed that over the past month, we haven't uploaded any new content, and many of our videos have been taken down that have somewhat controversial topics. Now the reason for that is a new YouTube change in policy that happened this year. This change in policy specifically outlines that you cannot post instructional hacking and phishing. Now obviously we cover hacking and phishing on Null Byte all the time, and because of that we started to get some warnings, and then eventually we actually got a strike. And if we get enough of these, then we won't be able to bring you any content at all. Now we've thought about this carefully, and we think that the best way to move forward is to present a shortened version on YouTube that still has all the great parts of the project without anything that could get us a strike and prohibit us from bringing any new content to the channel. So, as you may or may not know, if we get one strike, we can't even upload for a week. So it's really important for us to make sure that all of the stuff that could get us a strike actually lives on wonderhowto.com, which we'll provide a link to in the content so you can easily navigate there and see the full version of the video as well as the tutorial. Now we have over 30 new episodes waiting for you, so we're really excited to get started again. And if you have any ideas for future episodes, you can hit me up on Twitter @CodyKinsey. Thanks for bearing with us, and we'll see you soon.